In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change host controls to others in Google Meet. This can be incredibly useful, for instance, when you're hosting a meeting but need to pass on the hosting responsibilities to someone else, like a coworker or team leader. Now, you might think that passing such controls would be complicated, but I assure you, it's fairly straightforward when you know the steps. So, let's dive right into it. To start, you need to navigate to Google Calendar. If you don't have it open already, simply type Google Calendar into your browser's search bar and click on the link that appears. Many of us use Google Calendar to manage various meetings and events, so it's quite likely your Google Meet link is embedded there. Once you're on Google Calendar, you'll need to find the event that includes your Google Meet link. Just browse through your scheduled events until you locate the meeting you're interested in. Click on this event to open its details. After opening the event, you should be able to see a button labeled Join with Google Meet. Click this button, but we're not actually going to join the meeting. This click ensures that we're dealing with the correct calendar entry for changing the host privileges. Now, look for the More Actions button, typically located somewhere towards the top of the page. It can open up a variety of options related to your event. Something to note, it may show up as 3 little dots depending on your screen size or device, so be on the lookout for that variation as well. Click on More Actions, or these 3 dots, and a drop-down menu should appear. Once you're looking at this menu, you'll find the option to Change Owner. Click it to proceed to the next step. Remember, you must be the current host or have adequate permissions to make this change, so ensure you're logged in with the correct account credentials. Immediately after selecting Change Owner, you'll see a list of the meeting participants. Take your time to select the right person who will take over the host duties. Click on their name to designate them as the new host. Double-check to confirm you've selected the right participant from the list, especially if you have a similar name to avoid any confusion. Finally, you need to click on Change Owner again to solidify this transition. A confirmation notification might pop up, indicating that the host change was successful, or it may ask for a final confirmation of your choice. Once confirmed, the new host will receive an email notifying them of their updated role. By following these steps meticulously, you have efficiently transferred host controls to another participant in your Google Meet session. This can be an excellent tool for collaborative work environments. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful how-tos.